Huawei Nova 4e back cover replacement.
We are going to replace with new back cover. This back cover is already broken. It is easy to take off. There's a clip on the back cover. Fingerprint, unlock and remove the ribbon. Use alcohol to remove the adhesive easily. We are going to remove the fingerprint to new back cover. Gently plug in fingerprint ribbon. Put the fingerprint on the back cover with right orientation. This time we are going to clean the adhesive. This is to ensure the back cover fits really well on the body. After cleaning is done, we are going to apply some glue. Put the back cover on the phone body. Now we are going to tighten in the back cover. Just only few rubber band. Just get enough. Be careful when tightening the rubber band. If it hits the LCD, it will be damaged. It's done now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.